Hello guys, so today new word is chide. C-H-I-D-E. Chide. Chide means scold, to speak out in angry or displeased rebuke. Scold, to speak out in angry or displeased rebuke. So what are the synonyms for the word chide? There are scold, chastise, upbraid, berate, castigate, and lambast. Scold, chastise, upbraid, berate, castigate, and lambast. Let's have a look at a few antonyms for the word chide. There are applause, approve, command, compliment, auxiliary. So let's have a look at a few examples here. Number 1. She chided us for arriving late. She chided us for arriving late. The manager chided him for his negligence. The manager chided him for his negligence. Number 3. She was chiding her son for not being more dutiful to her. She was chiding her son for not being more dutiful to her. Number 4. He gently chides his student every time they misspell the word. 4. He gently chides his student every time they misspell the word. Number 5. However, they will chide you if you try to speak French. However, they will chide you